It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Wednesday, the 25th of May. I'm Michael Groff. Dry conditions, hot temperatures for the rest of the week, but then as we head into the Memorial Day holiday weekend, temperatures begin a slow downtrend. And in fact, by the time we get to the first half of next week, we could actually have afternoon highs a few degrees below average. Unfortunately, all of that will be accompanied by absolutely no chance of precipitation. All right, let's talk about it. First, we'll look at the almanac from yesterday. 99 degrees the afternoon high. 73 was the morning low, and that's 1 degree above those normals of 98 and 72. And as we take a look outside right now, it's 7:45 a.m. Yeah, sunny sky out there. We're already at 81 degrees at Sky Harbor. Dew point at 34, relative humidity 18%. The winds are light, and the barometer is steady. The weather pattern across the country features a vigorous upper-level low over the southern and central plain states, and to the east of that, a chance of severe weather today. On the backside, there's a ridge building in here across the southwest, and that's why we have our warming trend well underway. Here's the watch warning map. We've got red flag warnings out here over parts of the Great Basin. Heat advisories for the valleys of central and northern California. Temperatures could get up into the triple digits there. Flood watches for the Gulf Coast. And here in Maricopa and Pinal County, we have an air quality alert, and that's issued by the Arizona Department of Environmental Quality. So once again, respiratory sufferers, you may want to avoid being out and about today and tonight. The convective outlook for today, we've got that standard slight risk of severe storms for Baton Rouge, New Orleans, up toward Jackson, Columbus, Biloxi, Mississippi, over to Mobile, Alabama. And the marginal risk extends as far north as Chicago and Indianapolis. And here's a look at the tropics out in the East Pacific. We've got a couple of areas of disturbed weather well off the Mexican coast there. Those have a small chance of development, but even if they do happen to form into something, they are more than likely not going to impact anybody, as they will drift harmlessly out to sea. Okay, here's a look at precipitation. This is valid through Wednesday morning of next week, and you know what I'm going to say right now. No rain in the valley, nothing statewide, nothing region-wide, as we are headed into the statistical driest part of the dry season, which is, incredibly dry. And unfortunately, no real relief is in sight, at least not in terms of precipitation, although a cooling trend will eventually start to materialize. We'll talk about that and everything else right now as we get to the models. Have a look at it. This is the GFS. It's the 06Z run, valid at 2 o'clock this afternoon. Ridging building in here across the southwest. Upper heights are rising, so temperatures are rising. And dry air will continue. So what it means for us down at the surface today, sunny sky, warmer, highs 99 to 103. Tonight, clear sky, overnight lows, mid-60s to mid-70s. Tomorrow, sunny and hot. Highs 102 to 106. Same thing Friday, ridge in place, 102 to 106. Sunny sky continues. Now, by the time we get to Saturday, we do have troughing developing over the Pacific Northwest, so rain will be present up that way. Unfortunately, that is far to the north of us. Now, the good news is it is going to start to flatten out our ridge, and the heights will slowly come down. And that means temperatures will drop a degree or two each day for Saturday and Sunday. And by Memorial Day, high temperatures might only make it into the mid to upper 90s. And that's actually a couple of degrees below normal. And then here's Tuesday, and this very well could be the coolest day of the forecast period with this trough coming through. High temperatures in the low to mid 90s. So again, a bit below normal. Unfortunately, this far south, no moisture for us, no chance of precipitation, just some breezy to locally windy conditions with that feature. All right, now here we go to a week from today. This is Wednesday, the 1st of June. It's the start of meteorological summer. We've got the trough lifting out to the north. Temperatures might come up a few degrees here, although maybe just staying shy of the triple digits. Then going out 10 days, Friday, the 3rd of June, kind of an interesting pattern across the country. We've got this upper low or baggy trough stuck over the southeastern United States, so maybe some unsettled weather there. And for us, baggy troughing as well, lingering around or just to the west of us. So temperatures likely not to increase all that much. We don't see any sign of a major heat wave after our bout of hot weather for the rest of this week. It looks like next week we'll see temperatures at or maybe even just a degree or 3 below average on most days. All right, now here's a look at rainfall for Phoenix. This is going out through the 8th of June, and unfortunately we see no evidence of precipitation, at least not for the next couple of weeks. And temperatures off the national blend of models after our bout of hot weather for the rest of this week. Yes, there's that cooling trend. In fact, we probably will be down below the 100-degree mark for at least a couple of days next week, maybe more than that. And overnight lows will drop from the 70s into the 60s for most of us. And that's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video back here tomorrow morning. If you enjoy these videos, be sure to subscribe, like, share, click that notification bell, leave those comments, questions, and suggestions. And music fans, go ahead and check it out. My streaming station, it's called KMGX. We play a ton of music, have a lot of fun while doing that. I say we because it's a dynamic duo of myself and the one and only Michelle that sit there, plot, plan, program, schedule, and just put together an awesome station with the most chaotic mix of music just for you every single day. All right. Thank you so much for watching, all of your continued support. By the way, I leave a link to that station in the description, so do check it out. You guys be safe, stay cool, stay hydrated out there, and have yourselves an absolutely amazing Wednesday.